Hey everybody, it's me again, and I have a new digital kit in the shop, and it is called Flashback. So I showed you that I was doodling on my iPad. I am having so much fun drawing on that thing and coloring in. It's just so cool. So I did enough doodles to actually create a little kit, and it's a small kit, but it's so cute. Okay, so it's called Flashback, yeah, because it's got a lot of these retro images from back in my time, and I'm sure a lot of you guys too. And yeah, so it is linked down below if you're interested. Oh, before I continue, just so you know, for those who've never purchased digitals before, with Zibbet you do have to download your files within 7 days of purchase, because they they expire after the 7th day. That's a Zibbet thing, that's not my thing. But if you don't, if you come check your email like 10 days later, you're not going to be able to download that link that you will get. So just make sure that you download it as soon as you purchase it. Simple as that. And what else? Also, make sure that when you do purchase a digital with Zibbet, that you have the correct email with them, a current email that you actually check, because sometimes people don't even realize they're using an email they don't have anymore, or maybe somebody else's email. So make sure you have the correct email, and also check your junk mail if you don't see it in your regular email. Okay? Alright, so that is it for now as far as that. Let me go ahead and show you this. Now this kit is only 9 files. It's 4 backgrounds, which is 8.5 by 11 JPEGs, and then these 3 images here that are also in JPEG files. But then these 2 you'll get as well as silhouette files. So they'll be in both JPEG and silhouette cut files. No other files, but you don't have to have a silhouette cut file. You could just print these out and cut them by hand. So these cards here are larger than these, but they are the same, and these are about 4 by 6, and these are maybe 4 by 2 or something like that, but smaller. And you could use these however you like, in cards, like greeting cards, scrapbooking, in your planner. Of course, I'm going to use it in my planner. It is personal use only, and these images are all mine. Everything in here I designed myself. So let's just get started. So I did print these with my laser printer, so it gives it a bit of a sheen on some of these things. And then the cutouts and these I printed on cardstock. 110 Georgia Pacific cardstock is what I use, and then these is just printer paper or laser paper, printer paper, because I mainly was just testing them out, so maybe later on I'll do them on cardstock, I don't know. So let me just go ahead and show you these. My printer does leave this border, so it shrinks it a little bit, just so you know, but with my inkjet it usually does the full borderless type, so it's going to be a little bit smaller. The colors also will vary, but this is the brightest and most colorful kit I've ever made. But according to your screens, your printers, and so on, colors can vary. So this is the first one, which is actually my favorite background here. And again, all these things, all these images here, I've doodled myself. Then you have stars, flowers, and again, like I said about the colors, I'm looking at my screen. It's looking almost going to the purple side, the pink, but it's actually pink with green and yellow, and then darker pink flowers, and then the smiley faces. Alright, so those are the papers, just 4. And then the cutouts, and then let me show you on this one here, which is JPEG and silhouette. You'll get these 3 cards, which are the same as these but smaller, and I'm gonna like put them so you can see like almost half the size. All right, I'm just gonna set this over here, so just smaller. And with the silhouette cut file, you'll get a white border, and the JPEG file I don't think it's gonna have these black lines on it, so you can cut without that, or just, you know, cut around and make a white border there. And then they come with these here. Cool. Remember those glasses. And then this rocks. And then on the last sheet, which is the little images, I put them all on one sheet. Actually, I like this page. I want to just look at that. So here's a cluster of stars, and here's, you know what that is. Oops. And you notice it's not a perfect circle. I wanted it to be more of an oval. Then we have a colorful diamond and the flower. Then these set of lips and the glasses, the peace sign, the headphones, little cloud with lightning, the hairspray made to kind of look like Aquanet, the music notes, rainbow with the clouds and stars, the cassette tape, the peace sign, and the lightning bolt. So all these cutouts, I mean, it's quite a bit actually, but it is a small kit, and it's in the shop right now. Flashback, I'll link it down below so you can check it out. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.